Pet stores.
Yep.
Harmless pleasures or merchants of disease and death?
Come on.
This is the eel that bit me. His name
Hi,
is
this
Clarence.
is Frank
He's a
live at
Hawaiian
the
moray
Pet
eel.
Shack here at 23rd and Oregon. And, ooh, cool.
Ew!
Where's the little flipper? Anyway, this is for the Christmas videos. We need some good high-quality Christmas
Here
entertainment.
we go. Might have to get a little bit closer because that'll glare.
Ron, don't reach your hand away.
Fuck you, Michelle.
See?
He's got him by the head.
All right. Now, after he wait till he swallows, he's gonna burp out scales. This is the best part.
That was quick.
Wait. He's where you can't see the burping.
There
he goes.
There they go.
He just burped out the scales and we missed it. Why keep our cats at scales?
Move over, Marlon Perkins. Cages or quicker palaces?
Okay, all right.
Fish houses.
Yeah, the ASPCA really wants to see this stuff. Hope you don't mind.
See my eel bite? I got bitten by an eel. This is Michelle. I got bitten by an eel.
I've been advised the next event is a rare treat called Goldfish Roulette. What's this called again?
Goldfish Roulette. Ready? Oh! I think he made it this time.
Here, let me do it.
Yeah, he's still flopping.
Let me do it.
Let Ronnie do it. Ronnie's an expert.
Here we go.
And Lady
Whoa!
Luck.
Hit the center.
And we got a wow!
Do you feel lucky? Do you, punk? Oh, he makes it.
He made it again.
Let's try again.
Again, and he gets to live.
Oh, twice.
Put him back in the tank.
One more time to charm.
Oh!
Not that time, fellas.
Just the same as when he came out of the tank. Except he's dead.
He's still moving.
All right.
Okay.
He'll go back in the tank and
These are flicking him back and forth.
back for sale. The only pet store that sells previously used goldfish.
He put you as a reference.
He bought twice fish
You
roulette.
have an account.